Morning again. Hey, finally, maintenance showed up. They say they're going to get a door. I told them, listen, tomorrow I have a doctor. I got to be at the hospital. The following day, nobody's allowed in the house from 10 to about 3 on Friday, because we're ending. Senior Options says that one last spray, and then we're going to bring the deep cleaners in, and then we'll get your caretaker and light housekeeping and stuff like that. So that's where we're at. And I got a message from the inspector. Her name's Nikki. She's going to be here Tuesday to make sure everything was fixed. So I hope these guys come back. But I'm happy right now. Hoping, but it seems like every time they say they're going to come back, they don't come back. Anyway, that's where we stand. But at least we got somebody working. Everybody have a good day.